Okay, hello everybody and welcome to this new video. Thank you very much for watching out in this video. I'm the successful electronics who posts great electronic content, and thank you very much for sticking around to my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also support me on Patreon for more interesting facts. Now actually this video is actually reaction. This video is all about reaction. I'm not gonna make any project today. I'm not gonna make any practical project which you think I'm gonna be doing. I'm actually gonna be reacting. I'm actually gonna be answering a question from one of my sponsors. Yeah, that's the benefit. So if you want to get these benefits, subscribe to this channel and support me on Patreon. Actually, this is the chat on the screen right now. My page, one of my supporters say that I should make a video of explaining how the capacitor is being charged in the 4-5 timer oscillating multi-vibrator at stable mode circuit connection. So I said I should explain how the capacitor is being charged because I found out that this video right here got about my first 1,000 views, which I'm very happy. I'm very glad about that, and I'm very happy that I got my first 1,000 views, and I'm so happy about that. So I'm making a kind of attention that I will make some kind of videos which are related to that video if I can get more subscribers and more views like that way, and I will make more videos in the future, like more related videos to that video which I got my first 1,000 views. I'm very happy to that. Thank you very much. Thank you for hitting me to 1,000 views, and I'll be so happy if that is my if that 1,000 views is actually my subscribers, and I'll be having about 1,000 subscribers, and that is wow, that is so impressive. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel. So the question is that I should explain how the capacitor is being charged in the 4-5 timer at stable mode multi-vibrator circuit. So that's what this video is all about. That's what this video is all about, answering questions to my sponsors which ask a particular question in a particular video, and that's the benefit. So if you want to have these great benefits, I made a benefit in my Patreon. I made a vow in my Patreon that anybody who support me in the amount of money, according to the amount of money which you're supporting me with, it goes with kind of benefit. Yeah, I made a benefit in my Patreon page that you can go check my Patreon page in the link in the description right now and support me for this benefit. Okay, I made a benefit that if you support me in this kind of amount, I'm not gonna mention it, you gotta check it out, you'll be having access to ask me questions on projects you don't understand or videos you don't really understand when I'm explaining it. Let me say that this benefit is actually also in YouTube, that people who don't understand what I'm actually talking in the video can make a comment in the comment section, and I'll be really happy to reply. So that's not really a benefit, but the main benefit which I also added on my Patreon page is that if you support me on a particular amount on my Patreon page on behalf of my channel, you have this great benefit of telling me project to do, telling me some kind of deep details to understand, telling me some kind of deep details to explain much better, to make a video of it. You can give me a great topic if you want to, like you want to give me a topic, or you want to give me a topic that you want me to make on, or you want to give me any great electronic topic that you want me to discuss on, I will make that video of it, and that is the great benefit which I also added on my Patreon page, and that is it. I also added a benefit that you can be able to assist. You can be able to contact me and tell me to assist you in a particular project which you're dealing on, which you're having issues with it. I'll be very happy to join you and put heads together and find a way to make that video, make that project to work very fine. So that is one of the benefits which I also added in my Patreon page. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel so that you can have this great benefit. Okay, without wasting much time, now I'm going to be moving over to the answering the question which my sponsors asked me. So I'm Successful Electronics, and let's go to the video. Okay, welcome back. This is how the capacitor is being charged. Now actually the capacitor charges through the R1 and R2 resistor, but only discharges through the R2 resistor. Now when the capacitor is being charging, when the capacitor is charging, the output pin of the 4-5 timer, which is pin 3, is high, and when the capacitor is discharging is low. The capacitor discharges through pin 7, which is discharge pin, and charges through the R1 and R2 resistor, which is also connected to pin 2 and 6. Now when the capacitor charges to 2/3 of the supply voltage, it then discharges through R2 resistor to 1/3 of the supply voltage. Yes, this is how it works. Understand me very well. The capacitor charges and discharges, which create the 50 Hz duty cycle, which creates the 50 Hz, and which also create the 50 duty cycle. Now this is the capacitor, and this is how it's charged. The capacitor charges through the R1 and R2 resistor, and then discharges through the R2 resistor, which is also connected to pin 7, discharge pin, and the charging process is also connected to pin 2 and 6. Now the capacitor actually charges to 2/3 of the supply voltage, and then discharges down to 1/3 of the supply voltage. So I think I've answered the question to one of my sponsors, which asked me about this tariff question. I'm very happy to answer it. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe to this channel. Support me on Patreon to have these great benefits, so that you can be able to ask me tariff questions. You can be able to tell me some kind of new project to do, and lots more. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you for helping me to reach 1,000 views on my first video. And if you haven't watched that video, go watch that video right here, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now. Peace out.